Hi guys, it's underscore Eunice from Kenya, and today is a new day that God has given unto us. Thank you guys for tuning in my YouTube account. Continue guys sharing my YouTube videos, guys, and tell your friends, guys, to subscribe for me, guys. Yeah, and please, guys, support me. Yeah, and today is a new day, guys. We thank God for this new day, guys, because there is some of us who did not see this new day, guys, but we have seen it. We thank God for that, guys. And today, guys, we want to go to visit other places that we like going to visit on Sundays. Yeah, and here I have my sister. We are going with her. Yeah, let's go together, guys. Watch to the end and subscribe, guys. Yeah, it's underscore Eunice from Kenya. Subscribe. Yeah, guys, this is the road that we are using, guys. Yeah, and you can see this road how it is, guys. It's not good. You can see how it is. Yeah, it's not very good. Yeah, we are going to visit on that place, guys, to check on it like that, guys. You know, today is on Sunday, guys. People visit different places, but because we don't have any place that we can visit, we are still visiting here around. Yeah, yes, guys. Yeah, this is the road that we are using, guys, and you can see the farms, guys, there. Yeah, you can see them there. The crops are growing even if there is no rain this time. And there is other farms. You can see the crops are drying up. Yeah, because due to the lack of enough water, even if it rain, it rain few millimeters of rain. Yeah, you can see that place there, guys. How this place is green very well. How it's very smart. You can see the farms are green. Yeah, they are very beautiful. Yeah. Then here I can see the crack pipe. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, that one. That is pipe that gave people waters from this side. Yeah. You can see there, guys. You can see Oldaiga Hills there in this road we are using. Yeah, you can see them. You can see that hills very well. Guys, we like this place because you can release your stress. You will enjoy watching around this place, looking of that forest. You can see airplanes landing there on that field. That you can see that field there. Airplane lands there. Yeah, and you can see everywhere when you are here. You can see the homes of Nandi communities, everything. Yeah. So that's why I like this place, guys, because it's very enjoyable, very attractive, guys. Yeah. That is the view of Oldaiga Hills when you are here. Like here we are, it's like on the steep slope. Yeah, because you can see there down is where the river is, the forest, the Oldaiga Hills, you can see them there. Yeah, so when you are here, you are seeing them very nicely. Yeah. Yeah, guys. You can see that view that I'm telling you about, Nandi communities there, guys. Yeah, and we want to relax here, guys, on this green. You can see it's green. Yeah, we are going to relax here. Yeah, and you can see, guys, This place, guys, is growing because I can see the homes there. Inside the forest, they are still being built every time. Yeah, guys, you can see that. Yeah. You can see those homes, guys. There are now many that have built recently. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Now, guys, we are going towards this road, guys. Check around this place. You know, guys, many people don't come to visit this place because they are used to come to see it when you are at home. Yeah, but we like coming to visit it, guys, because it's very beautiful. Yeah, you can see even here there is some stores there. Yeah, that is a sign that there is here there is geographical features. Yeah. Yeah, let me use this small pathway here. You know, guys, in this place there is wild animals, there is big fives in this place, in this forest. You can see the forest is not very far from this part, guys. I think I'll go even to that forest, close to that forest. Yeah. You can see the homes here, guys. These are European homes here. Because you can see this whole place, guys, no one is living here. Because this is a dangerous place, guys. At night is very dangerous because there is thieves that come from that forest closing towards this side. Yeah. And you know they are very bad, those thieves, guys, because they come to steal cows, sheep, goats, like that. Yeah. So people who live close is only European people because they have electric fence. Yeah, and you know here is the village, guys. So many people are very down. Yeah, so they cannot afford to fence with electricity. So yeah, you can see that, guys, because this is the village, but we are improving. Yeah, yeah, guys. And here, guys, on this side there is big valley that flows water towards the river. Yeah, it's a source of water because when it's rain, the water flows towards the river using that valley. It's very big from this point towards that point. Yeah. You can see, like, here, guys, the water has carried away the soil. Yeah, you can see that. And I can tell you, guys, this place is sliding. Yeah. You can see here that forest is not very far. We are close to that forest, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Please, guys, if you are there, guys, watching my videos, guys, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Yeah, support me, guys, and if you have friends, guys, you can share with them. If still it's underscore Eunice from Kenya, subscribe, guys. Yeah, support me, guys. Yeah, and guys, watch the next video, guys. Yeah, yes, guys.